hi.
Hello there.
Welcome back to Veganuary Day 27?
We
8?
don't know.
It might be 27.
Okay.
It might be 27.
I think it is.
28.
I think it is 27.
Okay. Well, today we're going to make vegan feta
Ooh.
out of tofu.
Yummy.
The first time I made this, not so good. I was a huge feta fan.
Mm-hmm.
When I met my husband, I immediately fell in love with him and his Greek food. So, in that order. Feta was one of my long holdouts. I mean, it's tough to give up feta. Something about it just so special. But this is, I have to say, a pretty good substitute.
I think it's pretty delicious.
I think, yeah, especially if you're eating it with some grape leaves and you have some tzatziki, vegan, of course.
Or a Greek salad.
Yeah, it's really tasty. So I didn't feel like looking up my recipe because I have a book and it's a mess. Not my cookbook. I have my
actual
notes
little
book.
recipe book.
Yeah, that I've been keeping over the years. And I want to try somebody else's recipe to see if how it stacks up with mine. So I found Rainbow Plant Life's recipe. I'm going to be trying that one today. So she uses extra firm tofu, which I have here. Mm-hmm. I've already pressed it. I put this big pot on top of it for about half an hour and got most of the liquid out. Cubed it up.
Sounds pretty dry.
Yeah. I've got a jar over here, which I already measured out some white miso paste.
Poop emoji.
I know. I'm going to leave her link in the info box so that you guys can go over there and show her some love. White miso paste. I've also got garlic powder. I didn't have fresh garlic, unfortunately. I would have liked to have tried fresh garlic. I have some nutritional yeast, some oregano, some black pepper, some onion powder, and some sea salt. So I'm going to attempt to get this all in this jar without making a mess. You know what?
You have a funnel, don't you?
Yes.
There we go.
That's what this is for. It's made specifically for this. How about that? Wonderful.
Perfect.
All right. So then we're also going to be adding in some liquids, obviously. I'm going to do my beautiful vegetarian pour here, vegan pour. So 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil.
Okay.
I'm going to do 1/4 cup of my Italian lemon juice, the only kind that I'll use that's not coming out of a lemon directly.
Italia.
Yeah, Italia. So we're doing 1/4 cup of that. And then we have, Maddie's least favorite, the apple cider vinegar.
I know that it adds so much to things, but I just can't take the smell of it on its own.
We're doing 1/3 cup. So I didn't have my 1/3 cup thing is in a jar somewhere. So
okay,
I'm estimating that. So we're going to give that a good shake up. And then we're going to put our tofu in there. And you know what? That's the wrong cap for that. That's going to have to sit overnight. But don't worry, we'll be back, hopefully in a different set of clothing, to try it tomorrow. Let's see. Let's give this a good mix. I wonder if this will be sufficient, or do I have to... No, it's not bad.
looks pretty good.
All right, let's put this back on. We can humanely drop our tofu in there.
Tofu deposit.
Yeah. Honestly, I think if I remember correctly, my tofu oops, I lost one. It went in boot. It went in my boot top. It's okay.
Just rinse it off.
Yeah.
It's all good.
Mine had I think twice the amount of EVU in there, but yeah, we'll see how this turns out.
Okay.
Okay, that's done. Let's get a cap. Okay, good. This one has a gasket on it, so it's not going to leak all over the place when I shake it up, the cars. Ooh, that's looking good already.
Yeah, I think that's going to be really good. Well, we're going to find out tomorrow.
All right, so we're going to deposit this into the refrigerator, and we're going to wake it up tomorrow. Oh, hi. It's
Hello.
the next day.
Good
Can you
morning.
tell I'm wearing different clothes?
Different clothes.
What if I was really fooling you and I just changed my clothes and I said it's the next day?
I promise it's the next day.
It's the next day because the sun's out. Sun's out, guns out, baby.
Doggy
Woo.
here, kitty there.
Yeah.
Yes.
These colors don't run. All right. We have the feta. We have the feta. I haven't cracked it open. It's been sitting in the fridge all night.
Mm-hmm.
And now we're cracking it.
Crack it.
I can't.
Those lids can be really hard to open sometimes.
They can, yeah. All right. First, let's do the smell test. Smells like Italian dressing.
Okay.
That's not a bad thing. All right, and we have a juicy feta chunk here.
Mm-hmm.
Vegan feta. So let's...
Go for it. Sounds chewy.
It's good. It might not be feta,
Mm-hmm.
but it's not disgusting.
Well, that's good.
You know what I mean?
We like not disgusting.
Like, some people would really get turned off by eating, like, a chunk of uncooked tofu.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's cooked, but it's, like, raw, you know, plain.
It's not, like, prepared.
The dressing on this really does a lot. I'm going to let Maddie give it a try, too.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can stay behind the camera.
Okay.
Yeah. Tell us your thoughts.
Mm.
Right?
It's good.
It's not the feta tang,
No.
but it's like...
It's good in its own way.
It's like as if an Italian person, a Mediterranean person, well, Greece is Mediterranean too, made their version of feta.
Yeah. I like it.
I like it, but it's not... If somebody handed me that and said, have this, what do you think it is? I wouldn't say feta.
Honestly?
But I wouldn't say...
It tastes like fresh mozzarella to me.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
It has the same texture.
Yeah. It's kind of squidgy.
Yeah.
When you get a, what do they call that? The tomato and
Caprese?
Caprese.
Yeah.
That it's kind of like that.
Yeah. I think that's good. It's like fresh mozzarella that has been soaking in Italian dressing.
Okay.
That's yummy. But your recipe reminds me more of feta.
Like feta.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I looked it up on our channel and it's not on there. It's in my book. So maybe I will do it in the future. Good job, Rainbow Plant Life.
Yeah, I like that.
But good. Not feta.
I would totally enjoy that on a nice salad.
Absolutely. Oh, what a coincidence. We're having salad tonight.
Oh!
But we're having a Caesar salad, so...
Well, that's still good, too. A little different.
Yeah. Well, maybe we'll make grape leaves this week, and we can have some grape leaves.
Sounds good to me.
All right. Well, I hope you give it a try. I'll leave the link in the info box, or the more info.
Mm-hmm.
And until Veganuary day tomorrow. Much love.